To remove or replace system memory, first remove the TouchMat and the right rear cover. Pull the memory EMI shield off of the motherboard EMI shield. Next, gently pull out on the retaining lever located on each side of the SO-DIMM memory module. The module will pop up from its socket. Pull the module out of the socket. There is a small notch on one side of each SO-DIMM memory module that aligns over a small tab in each SO-DIMM socket on the motherboard. To replace an SO-DIMM memory module, angle the module to about 30 degrees, engaging the notch into its socket tab. Press the module down into place until the retaining levers snap into position over the sides of the module. Press the memory EMI shield back into its cutout on the motherboard EMI shield.